In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy an ID with your Canon Pixma TR4500 series printer. First, we will go to printer screen. First step is to load the paper. So install the A4 size or letter size paper. Now go to the printer display panel. Click on the copy button and then press on the menu button. It will take you to the special copy. Press OK. Scroll ahead. Copy ID card. Press OK. Now open the lid and place the ID card. So it should be like this. Click on the color copy button and press OK to scan the front side of the ID card. Next is to scan the back side. Open the lid, reverse the ID card, press OK. So this way we can print the ID card using the inbuilt feature of this printer. Thanks for watching.